Now all the students, are you ready for the result? So before that, let's go with the matches that were held in the school. First, let's start with the throw ball. The winners for the throw ball senior girls is the Emerald. So I request the Emerald group leader to please come forward. Now all the group leaders, please be ready. Emerald group leader to please come forward. Green group leader, please come forward. Be faster, students. Please get onto the stage. Our chief guest will honor you with a rolling shield. The next group leader, the runners-up, is the Ruby. Now the volleyball senior boys goes to, again, Emerald. That's the green group. Now the green group captain, please move forward. The volleyball team captain, that's Paul and Vesh. Please come forward. Next comes the basketball boys seniors. That's Ruby. The Ruby group captain, basketball team, come forward. The basketball senior boys team is Rutvik. Next comes Coco senior girls is Topaz. The Coco team captain, please move forward. From the Coco team, Akshada Bhatt will take in the shield. Now the Coco juniors is the Sapphire. Sapphire, the girls team. Now Sheetal, the group captain of Sapphire, will take in the shield. Next is the Coco junior boys. It's the Ruby who has won it. The Ruby Coco team captain, please come forward. Cricket boys is Ruby. So the cricket captain for the Ruby, move forward. Coco junior boys, Ruby is receiving. Next, cricket boys, Ruby. Team captain of Ruby, please come forward. Now Rutvik, the captain of Ruby. Now the overall champion, boys. Are you ready, boys? 9-10 boys? Children, can you guess who's the champion? That's true. The overall champion individual, boys, is none other than Jerush Preetham of 10th. Come on, Preetham, at least now run up. Now the girls is Deekshita of 8th. Girls, Deekshita of 8th. Deekshita, run up. Congrats to the individual winners. Dikshita, come this side. Are you prepared for the group? Students, can you tell me which group is won the overall champion? Sorry students, Preetham might be from green group, but the overall champion is Ruby. And the points are 202. And Emerald comes second with 137 points. So Ruby group captain, come on. Ruby group captain Vaishnavi is coming forward. Now we have a special prize for the star of the occasion, that is Chaitanya of class 9. He had gone forward for CBSE South Zone competitions in skating, and in all of South Zone he stood first. Come on parents, clap for the boy who has made us proud. Of all the CBSE schools in the South Zone area, he has come first in skating. That's Chaitanya. And he has also won prizes in the Roller Skating Federation competition which has been held. And in 500 meters, he got bronze medal, and 300 meters, he got silver medal. And surprisingly, Chaitanya came only today morning from Mumbai. And in almost all the track events, he stood second. Now, sir, I request our chief guest to please honor Lavanya as she missed the prize. And if Akash is anywhere you are, please come forward. Akash, even you too missed the prize. That's Lavanya of 5th class. Now I request the chief guest of today's occasion, Mr. M.V. Sridhar, who is the General Manager of Cricket Operations, the BCCI, and is also the Secretary of Hyderabad Cricket Association, to give us his valuable message.
Thank you. I think respected Madam Rosalinda, Principal, Mrs. Nalini, and my good friend Chairman, Mr. Jaypal Reddy. One good thing about this school function, I keep attending quite a lot of functions throughout the year, but this is the first time I've seen that the chief guest or the guests are speaking after the prize distribution function. That's a very good gesture. As a sportsman, I always used to stand out there and wait for all those boring speeches to end and take my prize. I think this is a very healthy trend, and I am definitely going to pass this on to every other function that I will attend. I don't want to take much of your time. It's already late for all the proud parents and the children. But one wonderful point that I noticed in this entire event is the level of participation. It's not the question of either winning or losing, but the student strength of the school being 1600, and I'm given to understand more than 1450 children participated today. I think they deserve a very big round of applause. Not to forget the hard-working teachers. I know how difficult it would have been to bring all the little rabbits out of each of the door for every single function, every single event. I think that deserves a special applause for all the hard-working teachers. A small message that I want to leave for the children and for some of the parents here. Today's winner has been Ruby House, which I think is the red house. But if some of you have been following the track and field events, there is one group which was continuously falling down at the bend, but still got up and completed the race. I think they're the true winners, which is Group Yellow. Full credit for them because every single race they completed, irrespective of the point, whether they win or lose. I think that is the culture we must teach our boys to become better sportsmen, better human beings. Last but not the least, the favorite item for me for today was the lungi dance. I think that was superbly choreographed for the PP2 children. If they're able to do that without missing a beat, but still ensuring that the lungi is in place till the event is over, I think that's a great gesture. Before I leave, I would like to thank my good friend, Mr. Jaypal. Over the last 6 years, if someone has grown from strength to strength, and the kind of event that is organized today speaks volumes about his vision and what he wants to do for this institution. And I think some of you parents have made the right decision to have your award in this school. Also want to thank my good friend, Mr. Ratnam, who gave me this opportunity to be here. And last but not the least, the beautiful social message that the boys gave towards the end. And I promise you that I will take this bag home. Thank you, gentlemen, and good night.
Thank you, sir, for your encouraging words. It really shows how keen you are observing our program. Thanks a lot for appreciating our children and our staff members. And it's true, it is not winning, but participating. Thank you once again. What a tribute to the country. Thank you, students of class 1 to 10. And as we are to the end of the program, I take this opportunity to thank every one of you all who are present with us till the end of our journey. Thank you, students, thank you, teachers, and thank you, management. And overall, I thank God Almighty. Good night, everybody, till we meet again, and God bless. And a wonderful greeting from a choir.